Hi, I'm Tanea Larson, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of the poses fit you with a chair. So in my senior class called Senior Slow Flow, we always start out with a chair flow, and then we incorporate the chair into our flow practice. And as you can see, there's lots of room to use the rest of the mat without a chair, so you don't necessarily have to use it, but it's there for us. And it's really good for someone who maybe cannot come forward if you have balance issues, dizziness, or sometimes when you've had eye surgery, it's not good to come really far down. So the chair gives us this wonderful option here to stop without letting the head go too low. So I want to show just a nice flow that you can do with the chair or blocks that you could see in my senior slow flow class. So we would raise the arms up to the sky, inhale, exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Come to the chair, come to blocks. Halfway lift, that's straightening up through the spine, crown of the head reaching forward, long neck, and tailbone reaching back. And then forward fold. If you want to come a little lower on the chair, you can. You can come lower on the blocks. So you're just fitting your practice to your body, to your needs. And then we come up off the chair. Knees can be bent, back flat, arms reach out and up. Hands to heart center. Let's try that again. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, dive into a forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen tailbone back, crown of the head forward, back is flat, spine is long, space between the vertebrae. Exhale, forward fold. If you want to go lower, we go a little lower. Reverse swan dive, soft bend in the knees, arms reach out to the sides and up to the sky. And then hands to heart center. And we can always take different options. Sometimes I'll take hands back or down. Next inhale, arms lift. Swan dive, forward fold. Add half lift. Forward fold. And then from here, let's take a down dog using the chair. I love this option. We walk the feet back, but no further back than the hips can go when we drop the head between the biceps. So we're ideally trying to find a long line from the hips through the shoulders to the hands. And this can also be done against a wall too. You'd be a little higher if you're against a wall. But this is a really nice option that is much more accessible than in a class down dog, which looks like this. So you have that wonderful chair option. You could even do block options. So we want to find what works for you. And here, think about reaching the tailbone back. I'm actually quite soft on my hands. I can lift my hands up. Back is long. I'm going to wiggle my hips because it feels good. Maybe even bend into the knees. But you can see my hips and my feet are pretty much stacked. Maybe even the hips just a tad behind the heels. Or maybe I just need to step back more. And then from here, you can add some different things. You could step in. You could shift into a plank. Here's a nice plank. This is not easy. This is strong. You have to be very strong for this. Or like a cobra, lifting your heart out of your shoulders, dropping the hips slightly. I wouldn't recommend this if you feel like you're hanging. If you can't stay really strong, don't worry about that. Just do your plank, your straight body, to down dog. Let's try that again. Plank to down dog. Stepping right leg forward. Maybe we'll do a warrior one. Front knee bent. Then we come back, down dog. It's easy, much easier to flow with the chair. And let those poses fit your body. So I love using the chair. You can make poses really fit your body. I did not get any less stretch or less challenge by using the chair. It's just very different. So I love the chair. I love modifications. I love options and variations. And so I encourage you to see what fits your body and see which class fits you. Thank you.